In this video, we're going to look at alternative vector journeys. Now we have a hexagon here, where we have 1, 2, 3 parallel sides, and 1, 2, 3 parallel sides. And we already know two vectors. EF is H, and from the center to B is T. And it wants us to describe other vectors in terms of T and H. So the first one is AB, this one here. Well, AB is parallel to EF, plus it's the same size going in the same direction. So what we could write is that AB is equal to EF, which is just H. Now, DC is this vector here. So it's parallel to EF, so it's in terms of H, but it's going in the other direction, so it's going to be a negative, plus it's twice as long. So DC is negative 2 lots of EF, because it's going in the other direction, twice as big. So negative 2H. Let's look at DF. Well, DF is going down here, this way. Now, it's parallel to T, but going the other direction. It's the same size, so it's going to be negative T. Okay, now let's look at AF. Now, AF, if I went direct from A to F, is down here. Now, T and H are not parallel to this line, so we can't go that way. But what we could do is we could do this instead. We could go A to B, that's parallel to H, down T, which is obviously parallel to T, down another one, still parallel to T, and then we could go along H, like that. So A to F, we're going to do is A to B, plus B to E, plus E to F. So A to B, well, that's parallel to H going in the same direction, so that's H. B to E is going backwards down T and twice as long, so it's going to be negative 2T. And E to F is along H, so we need to add another H. So if I add these together, H plus H is 2H, plus negative 2T is is take away 2T. So we've got 2H minus 2T is A to F. Now let's look at E to B. Now E to B, let's get a different colour, let's have purple, shall we? And E to B is this vector here. Well, that's relatively straightforward because it's parallel to T, going in the same direction, but it's 2 lots. So that is going to be 2T.